Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the Best Western Plus here at Arcola, Illinois. Yeah, ThyssenKrupp here. Singapore. Okay, they just replaced the buttons on the outside. Let's go to 3. Single 4. Well, I think this forever level. This is the good part of Illinois. These door open buttons and door close buttons. As well as the 1 button. There's the self-cleaning buttons. So it's a pretty nice elevator. Definitely has a very 2010s cab. It's gonna take forever to level. Well, that took forever to level. But yeah, look at these pictures. Take a look at that hotel. It's okay. Pretty nice. Hopefully they replaced this button up here. Anyway, let's go back down to 1. Singapore. Can you hear me one? Still, they replaced this button here with the Mad BS California button. BP, actually California. There goes the elevator. I like that. And I guess that is going to be it for me.